Hey everyone, dealing with annoying lag while gaming on Wi-Fi? Yeah, high ping and stuttering can completely ruin the experience. The good news is there are some quick tweaks that can dramatically reduce gaming lag. Let's jump right in. First, check your distance from the router. The farther you are, the weaker the signal gets. Try moving your gaming device closer to the router and avoid thick walls or metal objects in between. Next, if your router supports it, switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. Yeah, it usually offers lower latency and faster speeds than 2.4 GHz, especially for gaming. Now check how many devices are using your Wi-Fi. You know, too many active devices can increase ping. Pause downloads, stop streaming on other devices, or temporarily disconnect unused devices. A quick router restart can also help. This clears memory and refreshes your connection to your internet provider. Unplug the router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. If your router has QoS, quality of service, enable it and prioritize your gaming device. Yeah, this tells the router to give gaming traffic higher priority. Outdated router firmware can cause performance issues. Check your router settings for firmware updates and install any available version. Finally, for the lowest possible lag, consider using a wired Ethernet connection. Wi-Fi is convenient, but Ethernet is still the most stable for competitive gaming. And that's it. Yeah, these tweaks usually cut gaming lag significantly on Wi-Fi. Try them one by one, and you should see a big improvement. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.